Hello, good evening. Let's in this tutorial, what we'll do is we'll learn how to clone a repository and then make changes and then push to the repository. All right. Uh, let's go to our GitHub and then, in case, let's say, for example, you have some repositories. This is my repository. All right. Let's take just any random repository. Okay, I'm just going to teach you how to push to the repository. Okay. Oh, nothing is in here. Good. All right, so you copy this and please don't clone it inside of your C drive until unless you have only one drive. If you have a different drive, that's well and good. Go into your drive and then you need to see which like whichever folder you want to clone the repository into. In this case, I'm going to clone it into my repositories, Gokul repos. I come here, type cmd. This will open the command prompt. Okay, so see, it's a D colon Gokul repos. If I just type start and cmd, what happens? It'll be in C drive users and Gokul s2t. Okay, so if we clone here, what will happen? Whatever we are cloning, whatever repository we are cloning, it get cloned inside of the C drive, which we don't want. We should not do any projects inside of the C drive. If you're doing that, what it'll do? It'll make our laptop slow. Okay, so I'll show it once more. You open that particular folder wherever you want to clone. Come here, type cmd. Okay, this will open the command prompt inside of that folder. Okay, now git clone, paste the URL that we copied. It says a chatbot already exists. All right, so what I'll do, I'll have one more repository training. Let's say I'm gonna do in this. See, git clone, and I paste this. Done. Now it has cloned it. Okay, so there are multiple ways you can open this repository. uh, so let me show you one of the easiest way. Let's say you just open your VS Code. Okay, let's say like this. Click on file, open folder, and then go and see wherever we have cloned it. Where inside training, see, don't open training, you should open the repository. What was the repository? It's AI chatbot, right? I come here and yeah, you have to open it like this. This is step number one. Or there's an alternate way that we can do it is, since we have cloned it here, simply type code space and your folder name. So you should be already there in the training. Okay, AI chatbot. Done. Okay, so this is how we clone and open it into the open it with VS Code. Now let me just create one file, sample like main.py. Okay, so and then print hello world. Okay, and what we'll do, so now listen, so there are three commands that you need to remember. Okay, so we already have the readme file, right? So the commands are git space add space dot get commit then git push. You don't need to give these things, not a problem. Okay, so I have made modifications over here. Now let me teach you. So see, right now we have two, which means this u over here, it means that the file is not present in the GitHub. Okay, so one more command, if you want to know, git remote hyphen v. This will tell us what is the URL of a git repository. Okay, so I click here and it opens my repository. And if you see, we already have readme.md, and that's what we have modified. This m, it means that we have modified. Okay, and u over here, it means that untracked, which means we have not even pushed the file, not even once in the repository to the repository. Okay, so that's why we have two changes. Now see here, changes, right? So what is the first command over here? Git add dot. Okay, so if I do that, earlier it was just changes. Now see here, it's stage changes, right? I'll do it once more. Okay, git add dot. If I do it, the changes become staged changes. Okay, next, this is the, you can give any commit message, no problem. Git commit hyphen m, and then you give some any message. Fine, so now we have committed, so and the changes will be gone. Okay, now git push. So if I push it, so two files we have updated. So even right after you push, you will get the repository link over here. You can even control and click on it, and it will open up here. See, we have the main.py and the readme. You have the uh, commands that we used. That's it. That's how you uh, clone a repository and make changes to a repository. Yep. And don't worry about this. I'll teach about these later.